So if you're trying to make money online, there's essentially three things that you need. You need a great product to promote, which converts. You need a place to host your offer, which is basically a page. And in third place, you need traffic, targeted traffic to your offer. In this video, we're going to be talking about these three things. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a very special system and even how you can get this entire system set up for you. Okay. But first of all, let's talk about the first thing, the product. So if we go to Monshai, you'll find tons of products that you can promote online. Now, I usually use Monshai because it's simple to use and they have so many products that you can promote. You can also use ClickBank if you want to. There's Digistore as well. But essentially what I do, I try to focus on the products that I know are going to pay me the most amount of commissions. Okay. So one of the networks that pays a little bit more are, for example, as you can see here, is JVZoo. Okay. JVZoo, WordPlus, depending on the product, they also, if you can get, not only the first sell or sale, and if you can get a little bit more, that's also going to help you earn more. That's going to depend on the quality of the product and, the sales copy on the actual page and so on. Okay. But essentially what you want to do, you want to focus on a product that, are going to convert. Okay. So in some cases, you might want to wait until the second day. You see here that many of these products, they are launched by date. So in some cases, you might want to check how they are performing the next day. So you can actually understand if they are converting and actually getting results. Okay. Now you can do that by, for example, if you go to any of these products here and you go to you want to go to this link here, you want to go to the WordPlus link, and you're going to be able to see here the details of how this specific product is doing. But in this case, this is launching today, so you might not going to be able to see those specific stats quite yet. Well, at least at the moment that I'm recording this video. But essentially, that's what you want to do. You want to check that, and you're going to be able to see how each product is performing. Another thing that you can do is to go to WordPlus, you create an account, you go to affiliate, and then you go to offers. And here you're going to be able to see the offers that are currently selling. You can see the release date, you can see the sales, the conversion rate, the visitor value, basically the average sale and the refund rate. You're going to be able to see all of those details here. And then you can pick one of these products, which one is converting the best. Okay. For example, one product that I have been getting great results with is this one here called Partner and Profit. Okay. And they are, if I'm not wrong, paying 100% commissions through the entire funnel. So that's a great product to promote. Okay. So essentially you go to request here and then you ask to promote that specific offer like this. And of course you want to mention how you intend to promote this product. And one of the ways that I use is, of course, doing YouTube reviews for a specific product. The next step is you need a page where you can host your offer. Basically, you want to send the traffic, okay, to an offer that actually gets conversions, which means that the ratio, okay, we're talking about the traffic that actually gets to a specific offer. Let's say you send 100 visitors. If you don't get any sales from that traffic, if that product isn't converting into sales, you might want to choose another product. Okay. But the one that I just mentioned, for example, is one of those offers that are converting very well. But I'm going to be talking about something else at the end of this video. Also some traffic resources that are going to get you results very, very fast. Okay. So if you're finding value so far, make sure to smash that like button below this video. Also comment below from which country you're watching this video. So essentially, as you can see here, this is my in-house, okay, custom-made software squeeze page builder that I use. And I'm going to be giving this to you if you watch this entire video. Okay. So essentially what you do here is you insert your details. So it's going to do something like this. And here you're going to be inserting your HTML of your autoresponder, because the main idea here is to gather those emails, okay, from people visiting this page here, and then you want to send offers to these people through this autoresponder email list. Okay, that's the key for you to make a monthly income, building an email list, and it's not complicated. Okay, so essentially what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be adding that here. Okay, now you can get a free autoresponder at GetResponse or Aweber to get started. Okay, so that's a cool thing. You can get it for free essentially if you're starting out. If you already have this, then well, you can use that. Okay, so essentially here you're going to be adding the HTML code. I have another video explaining how to do that on this channel, but essentially you want to add that code here. So I'm just going to add a dummy text here. Hopefully that's going to work. And then you're going to get a link from the system. Okay, this is hosted on my server, and it's going to look something like this. Okay, so when people click on this here, okay, they're going to be entering their details. Now, I didn't add the actual HTML code, so that's the reason you don't see a form here, but you're going to be able to see that when you enter yours. Okay, so essentially this is how this looks like. Okay, and then you send traffic to this page. Now you can do this, you can copy what you see here, you can do this by yourself if you want to. This is just going to make it a little bit easier for you. Okay, so first of all, we have a product. Now we have a place to send the traffic. And the third thing that we need is actually traffic. Okay, so as I mentioned, there are a couple of ways of doing this. Okay, so let me show you the free method, and then let me show you the other way, which I think you're gonna like. Okay, I think you're gonna get benefit from this. Okay, so essentially, as you can see here, okay, if we go to Robin Palmer Marketing, this is my other channel because I have two, and basically if we go to Robin Palmer Marketing here, let me show you that, you're going to be able to see that I create reviews on specific products. Okay, now you can, if you don't have any kind of equipment, you can use just your smartphone. Okay, and I have a course, an entire course explaining how I do that for a living below this video if you want to know more information. But as you can see here, I'm basically creating simple videos talking about a specific product. Okay, so you can do that. This is entirely free. Okay, this is free. You just need a YouTube channel. But if you don't want to show your face on camera, there's more invisible, anonymous way of doing this. So let me show you that right now. Okay, so what you're seeing here on the screen, this is a private offer from one of my friends called Dan, the one that you see here on the screen, and he's solving essentially these three things that I mentioned in the beginning of this video. He's giving you the product, okay, a high converting product. Number two, he's giving you access to these pages where you can essentially clone his pages, as you can see here, okay? And the third step, he's showing you his exact same traffic sources, okay? Now, Dan was launching products every month. Now, at one point, he said to me, I'm not going to be launching anymore. I'm going to be doing this other thing that I've been testing out. And he's been getting crazy results around $1,000 to $5,000 per day. Okay. And it shows you within this product exactly how you can do this. Now, the cool thing here, let me show you that. He's going to be giving you the code here to copy his pages. Okay. Now, he's going to be showing you here the traffic source, the exact traffic sources that he uses for him to generate this amount. So he has narrowed everything down to I would say a science-based, proven, okay, system that anyone that wants to follow instructions can replicate. Okay, so you can find the details about this below in the description. Okay, now, from what I've said today, you can take that information and essentially get results this week, okay? But if you want to scale this thing, you can find the details below. You can find a couple of bonuses that I have set up for you as well, okay? So check that out. Do that right now. Now, just one quick thing here. If you want everything set up for you, we're talking about everything done for you, having Dan's team building everything for you. We're talking about the funnels, creating all the emails and hand it over to you as a done for you system. Okay. based on actual results, battle tested, then you can check the details below as well. There's going to be a link there which is going to be explaining exactly what you want to pick to get the result that I'm talking about right now. Okay, so check that out as well. Now, if you want to learn more about how to generate an income online using both free and paid methods, just check out my channel. I have more videos on my channel, and don't forget I have a really cool course, free resources as well below this video. I'll see you in the next one.